on Nootka Island in Kendra Farm, and we're on the west coast of Vancouver Island out of Gold River and Tassis.
I love the job. I love being out in the woods. My whole pretty much logging career started here.
There's always a future in forestry in BC, and it's a good one. It's one to be proud of. We're selling our timber all over the world. Our timber goes to Japan, Korea, China, the US.
My favorite part of working at Kendrick is the location.
I love it here. It's beautiful. You can get off the barge. Not a lot of camps you are able to do that.
The beds, real good. And the food, real good.
And the guys. Yeah. We spend more time with these guys than we do with
our own families.
Our own families.
Very proud to say that we've got a first-class logging company, a culture of its own identity.
My hope is to finish off my career with Nootka Sound Timber. Been with the company for 5 days.
I'm Nootka. I've been with this company for the last 7 years. My position is to run the loader.
Teamwork really is at the heart of everything that we do.
Community and team building and working together and having that camaraderie is essential. The future of NST is bright.